Good morning once again, children. So, this is a new week. We will start with page number 19 because we were going with the second chapter. Now, the topic is today's topic is adapting to change. Till now we have studied about the changes in the school and changes in the neighborhood. Now, adapting the change. Changes happen around us all the time. Our neighbors change us, do the school we go to. Our neighborhoods change as do the schools we go to. Sometimes we have to leave an old school and join new one. Changes is a part of life and it gives us opportunity to discover new things about the world around us and about ourselves. Now, what is this? We have already heard about the changes in the school. Sometimes what happened, due to some circumstances we have to go to some new changes to the school. Like what we have to do is sometimes due to different situation we have to change the old one and go to the new school. So there is a vast difference. We make new friends, new teachers, new environment. So we have to adapt that change. We have to take in that particular change in us. Changes is a part of life and it gives us opportunity to discover new things. Changes is what? It is a part of life and it gives us opportunity to find different new kinds of things about the world around us and about ourselves. Changes, sometimes it could be about the world also, and it can be inside ourselves also. Adapting to the changes around us makes us learn more and be happy. If we are adapting the change which are around us, it will make us learn new things and we will be happy too. Like for example, I can tell you that if you are going to the new school, then for few days you will be feeling shy, but slowly you will be start making friends. You will be friendly with the teachers, then you will be friendly with the environment. If you are not adapting that, then you will feel sad. You will be missing your friends and that environment of the old school. But you have to adapt the new changes and you have to learn new things. Otherwise you will not be happy, you will be sad. So the adaptation, we have to adapt the changes around us if you want to be happy. When we move to a new neighborhood, we may explore it by finding out new facts about it. Like what it is given, when we move to a new neighborhood, we may explore it by finding new facts. Sometimes when we go to the new neighborhood, we find new type of culture. For example, we may learn about its past and find out what's the interesting things there are. Now we will always miss the our last or the previous neighborhood, but we have to adapt that thing and we have to find something interesting. Similarly, as we learn about new place, also we meet new people and learn more about the people around us. Now, if we are going to the new neighborhood, we find a new place, we meet new people and learn more about the people around us, like how they eat, how they live. It doesn't it seems that it is all the same. Sometimes the people are different, they have different culture, they speak different languages. So we meet new people and we learn new things about the people around us. We come across new families, experience new culture, tradition, languages, food habits and festivals. Now what happened is, we come across new families, experience new culture, tradition, languages and food habits and festivals also. Now when we go to a new place, what we see? The food habits are different. They speak sometimes different types of languages. There the tradition and the culture is different. There the people are celebrating different kinds of festivals. So these are the new things when we reach to a new place and we find new things in the new things around us. All these enrich our lives and make us learn more about the world. Now, what is this? All these changes are giving us enriching our life and makes us learn about the world. Now this is giving us what? More and more knowledge, and we are gaining new things from the world. When we go to a new school or new student join our school, we meet new people, discover more about them, and many a times we make wonderful new friends. Now what happened when some new students are joining to your class, or we are going to the new school, so we meet new people, and some all are having different kinds of hobbies, so you learn new things from your friends and all, and then you make new friends. Sometimes they become your best friends also. So this is the different kind of adapting change which we have to adapt if we want to live in this kind of society or in this world. Turn the page, children. Then, however, change make people uncomfortable because they upset the day-to-day routine. Now what happen if the changes makes people what? Uncomfortable. Sometimes we are not adapting that thing that we are and we always miss the previous school or previous neighborhood or something else. So I already told you right now that if you are not adapting, you will be sad or you will be upset. If changes makes us feel deeply upset or uncomfortable, we should talk to our parents, elders, teachers, or closest friend about it. Like if you are not feeling good, so you should always be comfortable with your parents. You should always talk to the parents or elders like your grandfather, grandmother, or any teacher which is your good friend or any close friend. You should talk why you are upset. If they learn about the reason of our discomfort or problem, then it helps them find solution and ease our problem. If it is not possible to talk to an elder or a friend, it helps we can write down our feelings and problems in a notebook or a diary. Now, if you are not able to talk to anyone, you feel very shy or you feel like very afraid to talk to anyone about your problem, what you can do, you can take a piece of paper or you can make a diary of yourself and you can jot down your problems in that particular diary. Writing down something also allows you to feel calm and think about the ways to solve our problem, right? Like what happened when you write something that particular thing is bothering you, and when you are writing that thing, and then after writing you feel calm and then you think about your problems to solve. You can see like you are not liking any new environment of the school, so what you will do, you will write in your diary. If you don't want to talk to anyone, then you can write it in your diary, and then you can sit when you are sitting idle, you don't have any work to do, then what you can do is you can think about your problems and you can solve them also. Staying active by playing a new sport, starting a new hobby, or joining a recreational activity are also some ways by which we can stay happy, settle down in a new place, and make new friends. Now, many children, you all have your activity, you have your hobbies, and you can do. Right now you all are at home, and since a long time you are at home and you can't step out. So what you can do, if you have a drawing or a dancing activity or music, you can do that hobbies. If you don't do that, you can do any recreational activity. You can sit with your brothers and sisters or with your parents, and half an hour or sometime you can spend a recreational activity, indoor games you can play. Then you can have any kind of talk. You can sit and play with your parents also for some time. And also there are some ways which we can stay happy. These things makes us happy. So at least you find half an hour to spend with your hobby or with an recreational activity. Settle down in a new place and make new friends. And when you go to new friends, you should have to make a new friends also. A change can be difficult thing, but it is not a bad thing. It makes us uncomfortable, but we see new places, meet new people, and learn new things because all the changes around us. Now, what is that? The last thing, a change can be difficult, but it is not a bad thing. It makes us uncomfortable sometimes, but we see new place, we meet new people, and we learn the new things because of all the changes around us. So this was the chapter about the different changes in our neighborhood and in our school. So please children, revise that. In the next thing we will be doing the exercises and the question answers. Thank you children.